happened? Your speed, and this time it means relative speed. So the speed of the moving object relative to the observer. Let's see. Yes, relative speed is speed of moving object relative to the observer, and catch it from the car. The crazy car starts to move. It moves slowly now. Its speed, yes, 80 kilometers per hour. And suddenly the other car moved beside it. What is the speed for the other car? The other car, 90 kilometers per hour. Both of them move in the same direction. But the first one, 80 kilometers, and the second, 90. What happens if you stand in the ground beside the first car? You are beside it now. Then your speed becomes good. The speed of a slow car relative to an observer standing on the ground will be 80 kilometers per hour because you get the speed of the car. Now, let's see the other one. Yes, the speed of the faster car relative to observer standing on the ground will be 90. Do you think if you stand in the slow car, what your relative speed for all speed for two cars? Let's see. Yes, the speed of the fast car relative to the person sitting in the slow car, 90 minus 80 equal 10 kilometers per hour. Why we say minus? Because both of them move in the same direction. It's great and wonderful. Another one. Example. Car move. Yes, my crazy car moves by 80 kilometers per hour. In the other direction, there is another car moves by 90 kilometers per hour. Catch it, my dear. What about your speed if you stand in the ground for the first car? Yes, like last example, will be 80 kilometers per hour. What about the other example? You can say the crazy car moved by 80 kilometers per hour and the other car make a return and moved by 90 kilometers per hour. What happened for this? You can say, if I stand in the ground, sure, my speed for the car 90 kilometers per hour for the fast car. What about if I slow car and the other car move beside me? You can find that for the first 80, second 90, and I stay for the slow car. So my speed now good, 90 plus 80, 170 kilometers per hour. Why we make addition? Because the two cars move in different direction, the opposite. Same direction minus, opposite direction it means plus. Now fly to the homework. I'm sure a lot of students don't like the homework, but take care, my dear. The homework helps us to know how can you answer and understand the lesson. Question number 1. What is meant by average speed equal 100 meters per second? B. The body gets equal distance in equal period of time. Do you know how can you catch it? Yes, write the definition and write the number at the end. And for number B, take care to catch the definition for what? Catch it by yourself. What about the other one? Look, two cars. The first one gets 50 meters in 10 seconds, and the second gets 50 meters in 3 seconds. This problem, answer it. Don't forget the law. Don't forget the unit. Another example. Ask which one is faster and why. Car moves 250 meters in quarter minute. Find the speed of the car. Take care, you have a minute. Minute, it changes to second. 1 minute, 60 seconds. What about quarter? Catch it by yourself. Another one. The body moves by speed 50 meters per second. Find the distance if it gets to second. This is the time. It's very easy. Yes, another question. If the speed of car 200 meters per second, find the time taken if the distance taken by car 600 meters. The problem is very important. Be sure you have two things. You have a law. After that, after the result, catch your unit. Take care, my students. My dear students, I'm waiting you at YouTube channel www.facebook.com/science.thirdprep. Also, you can find this lesson on Face account science_thirdprep@yahoo.com. We arrived to the end. I hope you to understand the lesson. It's easy and wonderful lesson. I'm waiting you for next. Thank you and goodbye.